Good morning, people. It's been a minute since we filmed, but we're back. We're taking this detail very seriously and
take it to the next level. We ain't playing around today.
I get it. We got lots of cars going on. Actually, we got a new member to the team here. We will introduce in a minute. But yeah, I'm working on this Mustang right now, and as you can see, it is dirty. So we're gonna clean it and we're gonna make it sparkle. The inside sparkle. So the outside has already been done. Andy's working on the outside of this one. Liam, which is our new worker, he's actually been here longer than me, but he's back for the summer now. So he's working on the inside of that BMW. And Anthony is working on this truck right now. He's working on the hood, and I think it's getting polished or whatever. Oh man. He's just making the paint sparkle. So we'll be back for an update on this one in a little bit. We're gonna hop into the Mustang right now and get it cleaned out. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we just finished the inside of this one. We shined it all up, made it look awesome. It's looking real good, all done for the customer, ready to go. Sweet, and we just filmed a montage for it, so we'll play that now. So we got rained out with that truck, so now we're stuck helping you.
Oh, I don't have much left to do.
Unfortunate.
On our part, it's
unfortunate.
On your part,
for us,
it's unfortunate.
Yeah.
Well, it's unfortunate for me because I'm gonna have to teach you guys how to properly detail. Because Liam walks away from the job, and I do like a second look, and I'm like, kind of not up to my expectations.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know what we're gonna have to do about that, but I'm gonna have to talk to the boss. Maybe instead of working 2 days a week, we'll do maybe an hour shift.
Yeah.
An hour shift.
Right,
or we'll just do volunteer work for a little bit till you get the rhythm.
Yeah.
Also, Liam's first appearance, dude, on camera.
Oh my god. What's up, vlog?
We just finished this truck. It's looking absolutely perfect. It's actually kind of hard to see in the sun because it's so bright. But yeah, everything got shined up, and we actually did the interior yesterday. So that's all clean as well, as you can see. So yeah, we're actually gonna drop this one off for the customer. I hope you guys like those rolling shots, because those took a bit of confidence to do, because as you know, I'm driving the old manual while trying to film, while trying to drive, and this thing's on a gimbal, so it makes it even a little bit harder. Drop a like for those rolling shots, because those are pretty sick. So Andy and Liam just finished this one. It's looking way better. Did the interior as well. It's looking awesome on the inside. Let's go. Look at this guy, hard at work.
I'm working hard.
Working hard. Cleaning these mats, eh?
Look at all these mats. I'm down to the last one.
Beautiful.
For now.
Awesome. Keep it up.
Thanks, bro.
It's been a while since I've appeared on the Chaves Auto Detailing YouTube page, and I just want to let you guys know I've seen our views declining, so I do got to make an appearance to get those views back up, the retention rate. And Justin's here because it's Saturday. You see him in the background?
Yeah.
It's always Saturday, brother.
Yeah.
Always Saturday. But you know, the place is going well. The place would fall apart if I wasn't here.
Anthony's waxing this old truck, making it look awesome. How's the truck going?
It's going.
Going?
It's going.
There we go, it's looking good?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Just a little bit dirty, so we're gonna clean this all up, make it look extra special. The outside just got waxed and everything like that, as you guys probably saw. Looking spicy. So we're just cleaning the inside now, getting it all kind of restored. Woo! All right, guys, you're gonna want to see a before and after of this. This is what the seat looks like, and we're just about to condition it up using this stuff here, leather conditioner. Check it.
How are we doing, Will?
Oh, you know, we're doing great, dude. We're just shining everything up, and it's just starting to look really good.
That's great. That's great to hear.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. Andy, what about you?
Doing good.
Doing good? That's great to hear.
Boom! Look at that seat, all shined and everything. It looks
Oh my God.
way better than it did before, right,
That
Andy?
looks amazing.
It looks amazing.
Look at this.
What do you think it looks like?
Looks amazing.
Yeah.
Looks amazing.
Look at that. Awesome. It's been a busy day here, but you know, we got everything done. Here, let's check out the inside of this. I haven't seen it yet. Oh, wow, look at that. I actually didn't do any of this, but it looks real good. Check out the back too.
Oh, we're checking out the back
Back
for
is
sure.
looking epic, dude. Woo! Awesome. Guys, we found a wild Andy in the forest.
You see the rare species in its natural habitat.
Cleaning up back.
Cleaning up a back.
While we snack on food. Okay, we should probably start working.
That maybe.
Yeah.
Just don't tell the camera that. No, just cut that out.
You caught me just cleaning up the shop. I'm pretty much the only one who does
This guy's
this
like
around here.
the management.
Yeah.
This guy. All smiles.
Smiles and giggles. Get to work.
I'm here with Liam Chaves. I just want to say a few words about working with this guy for how long? 3 years now? I've never seen such a determined worker.
Thank you.
Want to take
That means
break
a lot.
so bad.
So this just got finished. We did the interior and exterior. It's all done now. And yeah, we'll get an epic montage that I just actually filmed. So let's play it right now.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to our channel. I love you.